Guys, welcome in this channel in this video. So thank you for watching this video. Maybe you have intention to join in this particular testnet. So how do you join? Everything I will share with you. Maybe you already know that Cvex, they are a company that they raised their fund is $7 million increased. So they already provide testnet to their audience, so they will distribution their token. Okay, so feel free to join if you have intention to join in this airdrop. This video is for you. So if you want to earn as well as learn, this video is for you. Airdrop is for you. So however, so how do you join? How do you come my telegram channel? Check out this video's comment box and you will get a link. That is my telegram link. Feel free to walk through my telegram. I will be appreciated to you. I know that this is my genuine subscriber. I can talk with them through, like I talked with him already a vanished message. So he's from Cameroon. All across around the world people is coming to my telegram. Okay, however, so here is my channel. And the thing first is you need to read out all sort of thing. Okay, the term is connect with MetaMask, click trading terminal testnet. After click affiliate Cvex trade their website. Okay, where you need to do your test, like their use their website. So however, and after click increase balance, click contracts, place order, buy sell, complete limit market order, try wall contract coin, then decrease your balance, click decrease, after then claim out. Okay, maybe you already know this task. This task mean, okay, I'm showing you this task mean Glex task. Okay, but I will share with you because some people are slightly new here. They don't know what is Glax Air. Glax is the hosting platform where you can host your quiz, your quiz, your maybe you wanna give something to your to somebody, and you can uh, like give them some instruction like follow me on social media, to use my website, share my this like what. So the thing is here. So okay, I will make sense you. The thing, the first thing is complicated is their website, using their website, like test their website. So this particular task. Okay, click on that link and that link will bring into uh, okay, exactly this feature I'm showing you here. And click on put your email here. Okay, I will definitely suggest you, I'm putting my own, and click on back button, continue, or as well as you can click continue with wallet connect. It will be better. Click on MetaMask and check out and confirm that everything is pretty much easy here, because you are maybe pro, you are not noob here. If you are noob, this video is for you exactly whatsoever. So connecting with that website, click on tab option, go here and continue, sign the message, again check, and do exactly that I'm doing my way. That will be better for you, that will be understandable. Okay, come into here again, skip to the dashboard and claim your 20 XP. You will get 20 XP just um, if you just walk through the referral code. Okay, climb 20x, continue, invite friend. It will be better while you do desktop. Okay, because it's for desktop. Click on this button here, trading terminal testnet. Okay, if you are using laptop PC, same way I did this desktop mode. It's has been easy for you. So Same way do if you do in phone, that is good. Click on that particular area, and here what they said, the trading on Cvex is available on just in desktop. So click on enter desktop version, and that will be open for you. Okay, now connect wallet. Here connect, click on this button. MetaMask is appropriate for every crypto user, and check out your MetaMask notification. And finally we are gonna do some testnet. So connecting, that is with um, connecting. Maybe you are seeing here CP is connected. Okay, however, come into here again, and which space we are in here. Okay, so confirm again. Your MetaMask will get notified because of over and over again. That is happening because of your one of your MetaMask is secure. Crypto, how secure crypto is. Have you noticed? So secure. Okay, so come again our second page here, and done. However, maybe you haven't a USDC. How do you get a USDC? Click on this increase button. Okay, increase show here, like under the right beneath underneath option. Maybe you are seeing increase option. Click on that increase option. Your MetaMask will get again notify. Okay, because of you, maybe they provide you 1000 USDC. Because of it, that is a non-worthwhile token. Nothing have that token value, just using their website. Okay, because they wanna test by you. They are in testnet mode. You get. Okay, so now here is what we said inside of the Telegram on the post, that connect with MetaMask already done. We are click trading terminal testnet done, click increase done, click contracts. Okay, place order, buy and sell. So here what is the contract you will get? I am showing you everything you can see. Alright, here is contract. You are seeing, click on this BTC and click on this limit and this buy option, and place buy. You don't need to put any amount because amount is automatically put on here, and click on here and check out your MetaMask every time. Okay, I don't want to share everything because video would be long and some people would be procrastination while this video is watching, but I'm just showing you the step. Okay, you buy from limit option and sell from limit option, because you need to use just their website, that how efficient their product is, how fast or how smooth their transaction is. Just they want to see from you, that they want to test from you. So sell, let's sell same way your MetaMask will get 25. Okay, so fast, so smooth. I already did another account. Okay, that is my first main account. I'm just showing you this account is experimental, just showing you how do you can. Okay, done. Okay, you do buy and sell through limit option. Okay, now here is another market, that is a current price, and now coming to buy and place buy through market option, through market position. So now check again, go to MetaMask, approve the transaction, and that will be same way done. Like I will definitely recommend you to doing all of contracts same way. I'm showing you the first one. Just I don't want to show you everything here. So here and sell through market option. Okay, please again check out your MetaMask get notify, and yep, I'm just showing you on coin transaction. I don't wanna show you everything because there was like maybe 10-20 token here for doing that. Okay, done. Same way I do here is Sol option, here is Sol BTC, everything. How many token has here? Do same way. Okay, just I showed you on. If you don't understand, pause and like certain time in previews and watch this section and apply every token same way, do same, just use their website. Okay, done. Now what you need to do, come into Telegram for seeing what is the next. Okay, maybe you try all contact one, then decrease your balance. How do you decrease? Okay, I'm showing you. Here we said decrease option, maybe you are seeing. Okay, so and come into MetaMask and approve that. Okay, I showed you everything. Okay, just after doing that, after doing this their website testing, what you need to do, I'm showing you. Maybe you already done this one. Okay, done. Maybe you're saying done. So now come into here, and after that climb out on Glux. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, so this task. Now you will win this task. So now visit the Cvex Testnet. Click on there after doing visit, and you will be done. They see their like testnet guide, that will be appropriate. You don't need to see this video if you see the Cvex Testnet official guide. Okay, increase your balance. If you click on here, it will be done because you increase. Okay, open long position already did. We are okay. Open long positions on my contracts. Open short position in your contracts. Okay, the done. Decrease your balance. Maybe you hit that. Okay, decrease balance. It will be updated after a while. So however, now message in crypto value actions Cvex discuss. So has a couple of Galax tasks here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and after that click on number 2 Galax task here, and yeah, same way do that social task. If you don't understand, feel free to um, knock me on the Telegram. Okay, so that will be good for you. You will see my Telegram, you know, telegram telegram ID on my Telegram channel description. So feel free contact with me if you feel any existence. It's easy to do. Fast on script of value action Cvex space user means here is follow them on the clocks, and that will be done. Click on here and it will be done for you. Follow Cvex on Twitter. Okay, after if you do follow, it will be done. Okay, because I will do it later. Okay, because I don't answer you. And number 3 task is here. Okay, so the thing is on Glax would be easy for you. You don't need to see my tweet like Telegram post. You just click on their crypto value exchange on Glax. Okay, their profile, and they provide like couple of Glax tasks. You can join step by step, like how many Glax tasks they have, or everything you need to join because you wanna get something from them. So already I did that, and follow them, crypto, you know, their Twitter, their Discord. Okay, so click on their account. Here is couple of tasks they have. Maybe you will sing after click. So here is their task. Okay, every task would be pop up. 1 2 3 4 task. Okay, maybe you done after 4 task, and come into my Telegram here and Discord. Okay, so Discord, here I open on my tab their Discord. I'm showing you. Here is their Discord, and here you need to give them feedback, testnet feedback. Come to here, say that smooth transaction or anything positive, smooth transaction, and bam, done. Okay, now here is guilt. Okay, it's like the opposite of relax, like same thing. So their competitor Glax and Guild, they are hosting their platform where people can host their quized. Okay, so coming to, I'm showing you Guild here. So here you are seeing couple of tasks. First you need to sign in through your MetaMask. Okay, your MetaMask is connecting. Get notified from guild. After connect, just do their task. Easy, straightforward, everybody can do that. And airdrop mean a lot of money, but take some time. You need to have patience enough for doing that. Okay, already connected. Click on close. Verify address. Okay, your MetaMask will get notified again, okay, through guild. However, okay, feel free to do that this way. I am doing cross this part on. Oh, you need to join through your Gmail. So I don't want to show you. However, and after doing that, connect your Ethereum wallet and click on join guild to check access here. After connect Discord, connect Twitter, and click on access. Okay, Twitter same. If you do follow them, it will be done. And after doing that, join to guild check access. Click on here and do same way. You need to first connect your Ethereum wallet, your MetaMask, as well as Twitter and Discord. Okay, a couple of tasks here has. I don't yet complete this task yet. Okay, I will do in my routine. It's my curating video. Like this time is I'm doing content, and that's it. So however, come into Telegram again and done your work. If you do everything like this way, if you feel any procrastination, any trouble or problem, feel free to reach out inside of here is my profile. You can see here. Okay, you can message me here. Okay, and that's it. See you later.